Here's a quick tour of the vintage Coach Drawstring Sac Medium, style number 4015. This bag was made in the US sometime in the late 80s to early 90s. We know it was made prior to 1994 based on the serial number on the inside of the bag. And I believe it was likely made in the color honey. That's what I would guess this color most likely is based off of the information that I found about the bag online. So this is a great bag. It's more of a medium-sized bag. Like the name suggests, Drawstring Sac Medium. And it's just in very beautiful condition. This is a shoulder bag. Try to get the strap more in frame so you can see it. The strap is also adjustable. So here's where you could adjust the strap. Right now it's on the longest strap setting. It's got 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's actually got 6 holes, buckle holes to adjust the strap with. And it also has this drawstring closure right here, as you can see. So here's a good look at the front of the bag. Here's a side view. Here's where the strap attaches to the bag, and it's got a one-sided Coach hang tag. So it says Coach leatherwear on the front, and then the back is the suede texture. This is one of the older versions of vintage Coach hang tags. And then here's the back again, or here's the back, I should say. And then here's what the bottom of the bag looks like. So it's just an all-around really beautiful bag in this beautiful honey color. And then I'll open the bag. So here's the interior of the bag, and it's got this hanging zip pocket. So I'll pull it out and show you. It's got the Coach Creed stamped there. I'll also insert a photo so you can see it a little bit more clearly and up close. And then, like I mentioned, got a zip pocket here. Here's the zipper. So that is the Drawstring Sac Medium, and it's just such a beautiful bag in this beautiful honey color, like I mentioned. And it is available now in our online store, so I will link it below if you wanted to check it out further. As well as there are links to follow us on social media to stay up to date as we post new bags and content, as well as our email list if you want to stay up to date that way as well. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.